back, my YouTube fans. And today we're gonna be playing Regretivator. Now, if you're watching this video, you're probably wondering, what is Regretivator? And some of you might be asking, oh, I know Regretivator. Well, today we're gonna be playing it. It's one of my favorite games, and we are gonna be playing it today. Let's start. Okay, so we are in. Now, we're just gonna head inside the elevator. And we're probably gonna, we're gonna be on the elevator camera. Alrighty, seems like people are ice boating. Well, not ice boating, just boating, I guess. Boat racing, I should say. Crazy, everything's exploding. Can't believe that princess called Mellow Body hasn't died yet. It's crazy. There's this dude. D4A7H. Then there's this dude. Alright, here we're gonna spawn in. There we are. We customize the colors real quick. Something like this. And just see what it does. I know it does nothing, but you know. Let's just press in this ball.
I'm so hate-filled right now.
Well, darn.
Don't touch me!
My bad. Oh, what's this one? Ooh, the dancing one. I love this one. Let's do this. Okay, let's go in. Yup. That's it. Step. Let's do this. We got this. What are our winners?
Yes!
Nice. GG's.
You're mentally ill.
Darn, I'm mentally ill. Jesus.
You're ill.
How dare you? Ball's super mean. Oh, they have one for cats. I'm 850.
Think fast, Chuckle Nuts!
Oh my god. Eddie just got obliterated. In like 2 minutes of me playing, I just got obliterated. Well, trying to retry.
Jump off of him.
What?
You're mentally ill.
How dare you? This ball is super mean. Alrighty, bet. Oh. I think to help me like jump. You know, I would jump boost right now. Yeah. I was expecting it to be that one. Nice. Let's go. Let's change the color up. Let's see what this gets us. We're going first person for this one. How about that? Oh. Oh, I think I know this one. Dear friends, you must eat. Whoever eats the most good treat wins prize. Already bet. Oh. Okay, now I see. Oh crap. Maybe the wrong ones. Okay. Crap. Oh god. I keep like clicking the wrong thing. That's 62. But people might have gotten bored just due to it. Yeah. Dang.
I'm full of hate.
Okay, we got the full of hate in. Jeez. Bye. Bro, you're so.
Your oven's on. You left your oven on.
I want my oven to be on. Oh my god. Wait, what's happening? What the hell? Oh. What was that? Boom. That's what that does for us. Dance battles. It's a dance battle.
Welcome!
Oh, I know this one. Alright, we're going out of first person. This is not
Please
first
step on the corresponding color or number when prompted.
color or number.
Stand on. Blue!
Oh, blue or 5. I got a blue 5. Let's see.
Stand on. Green!
4. Oh no, it's green 4. Okay, yeah, okay, I got it mixed. My bad.
Stand on. White!
White 8. Pretty simple. Oh, okay.
Stand on. Green!
4. Let's see.
Stand on. Yellow!
Yellow. Ah, jeez. I die.
Stand on. Red!
dead one. Okay, I just barely made it.
Stand on. Red.
Red one. Again. No, I'm dead. I'm dead. God.
Billy Boogie. Now get out of my face. I don't want to see you in here again.
Darn. Jeez, well, that's mean. This game is really good, in my opinion, because like the NPCs talk to each other, and there's also like other cool factors, and there's so many levels. Like I haven't even seen them all. Like this one I just saw today. Trying to get that cat. There's like a cat in this level. It was like in here last time I saw it. I just don't know where. Coin. I have 300 coins. Hooray. I got it. We stop function valve. Give me that. Yes. Drop the entire map. Wait, can I take him with me? No, I can't. I'm gonna buy him. Cat here. Maybe it's somewhere else. Maybe somebody really got it. Oh. Oh. Corruption? Unpleasant. Guess nobody got the cat. Gas mask.
I'm full of hate.
Got a gas mask.
You disgust me.
Disgust you? How do I disgust you? Go into the gun store. Guns and guns. Go into the guns and guns. No, you scared him away, you idiot. My bad. Buy this, I'm too poor. Hooray. Get it. I've seen this level before. No! In there. Got 20. Oh, yeah, so it is the amount of coins you get, the amount of bunnies you capture, the amount of coins you get. I remember getting like 50 like one time. Not 50, I remember like getting a bunch one time. It was like something pretty big number. A bit bigger than 28, I think it was like 30. let's continue playing. Oh, this is the I got a cat. I love these cats. Ever since they added them, I was super happy about them. I can give these cats to people, right? I remember like you give a cat, like a certain cat to certain people. Cause I remember like I could press F, the remote F. Oh my god! Oh my god!
You should burn.
Literally, bro, you're gonna burn. It's okay. We're all good. Burning red balls is painful. Oh, ooh, coin. My green consumes me. I'm just kidding. Run! Oh god. I'm running best I can. Okay, I'm going up. Let me out. Oh god. I'm slow up my board. That's right. Oh my god! No! I lost my cat! No! Womp womp. Oh man. Damn. Okay, we're trying one more time, chat. We're trying one more time. Listen. They got it. Okay, we got this. This time, we won't die. What?
I don't want to see you.
You want to see me? How rude.
You disgust me.
Why do I disgust you? Why are you so mean to me, too? Oh! No, they killed her! Or is it a him? I don't know. No.
I have lived now for only 300 years, but I only now learned this minefield method.
Oh. Wait, I think...
After recovering, you can see the offenders and outfit with damage.
So, right in that one area. Oh, why?
Proclamation! You are doing well. Excellent nephew!
Oh, bro! I misstepped. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh,
Proclamation!
Yeah.
You are doing well.
oh, that was like risky. I didn't want to do that. Wait.
You
Yeah.
can officially say goodbye to harmful explosions.
Hooray! I do say goodbye to harmful explosions. Let's eat. Health back. I got 2 cones. I got 2 ice creams on my ice cream cone. Just gonna regen my health real quick. I think I'm gonna go to like 80 and see if I'm good at there. Okay, I'm going to 90. I'm going to 100 actually. You know what? Why not? Okay, I'm at 100. We're good. As long as I don't die.
I hate you!
Why do you hate me? Stop yelling at me. What did I do to you? Stop staring at me, ball. I guess if you are what the? Hey look, it's a tiny little guy. It's him. I don't know who that is though. No, why not? Why not? That's
Ba-ba-boo!
ba ba boo. It's my favorite lines. So Done.
In your pocket. What did you just in your pocket?
What did I put in my pocket? Nothing, but I will put you in my pocket. See you. First person view time. Oh, yo, what? Increases odds against certain events such as Jeremy and I'm not saying that. You can make fun of me all you want. Seems useful. What was there? Gains mid boost to healing. I got an ice cream that does that infinite heals me. You know what? I'm buying you. Yo! No way! Oh, it's Midas! Oh, I didn't read it. Yo! Fountain of prevents unnecessary curses, does not cure existing ones. I'm feeling very purified. Nice! The entire time. Here. Yeah. Do that. What is this? Okay, we're going to go to first person. Alright, that's what I saw. What even is this map? What is this? I have an everlasting feeling that I feel like I should go this way. Some unknown. Oh! Oh, we found him. Alright, bet I don't want to be here anymore. It damaged me. I need to lick my ice cream. There we go. We're back to full health. Okay, I'm standing on the bars because, you know. Alright, let's do this. Go on this one. Let me in. Let me in. Oh. What? Oh god. Oh. What? Drive into a lamppost or something solid to draw attention and to damage the car. Drive into a lamppost or something solid to draw attention and to damage the car. I think it's just the same thing repeated. Damn. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!